If you're really good at makeup, you still have to have all the other things.
It's a tough business. There's a lot of people here that want the same job as you.
You need to learn from pros that are working in the industry on set.
Not coming from a makeup background and not knowing exactly the steps to do things, I've had a lot of mentors in this business.
Always investing in the craft and just experiment with it.
Learning from people that are hands-on and on set and working on the top shows, I mean, that's really a cool thing.
Beauty MasterClass is a place for people who want to be professional makeup artists.
To show you tips and techniques and show you how we do it on set, how we create, how we actually do it on a day-to-day basis.
And get the real education of the trade of makeup.
I'm always watching my friends and peers work, learning from them. I always want makeup artists today to be able to learn from each other.